Hey guys. I'd say it's been a while, wouldn't you? Frick, I don't remember the last time I posted on here. Anyways. Today, I have a 52-inch Banvil Emperor ceiling fan. This is one of 3 that I got. This is one of the 2 that are okay. The third one has a broken switch housing, so I have to look into that more. But that's not to say this one didn't have its fair share of fun before I could make this video, which I'll talk about more in the end. Get to the demonstration first. I'll give you some close-ups. There's the brackets. Nice keen blades. I like the tips. Yeah. Really nice blades. The fan is an antique brass finish. Yep. This fan uses a variable frequency control. It's at your standard 3 speeds. And I guess I'll start it on, well. Yeah. The sequence of this pull chain is, it goes off, forward, off, reverse, off. So it's an interesting sequence. I think it's pretty cool. I did go into the variable frequency control, and this is as low as the low speed trim can go. So this is as slow as I can get this fan to spin. Although it's a fairly functional low speed, and it's got a nice look to it. Pitch that shot. Blades are in good balance, which I'm happy about. Alright, now I'll adjust the knob a little bit. Bearings in this fan don't sound all that great, but I'll get to that later on. Turn the knob up just a little bit more. Right about there. Sorry, I had to figure out where my knob was. I'll kick her up to high. There's a very good amount of air. Alright. Turn off the pull chain and I'll let it spin down. So, this one, as I may or may not have said in the start of this video, gave me quite the fun. The bearings on this fan were completely seized. Sorry, I shouldn't say completely seized. It turned on its own power for a bit, and then just started running slower and slower until eventually it just locked up. Like, I could still move it with my hands, but it wouldn't turn on its own power. So, I had fun oiling that. So much fun. In fact, I really, really hope I get to do it again soon. Obvious sarcasm. Depending on time, I feel like it could be better, but like I said, I did oil them, and the motor, I think that's as good as it gets, to be honest, because when I had the blades off the motor like spun forever, like before it would come to a stop. But yeah, I'll give you some more close-ups here. Very gorgeous fan. Yeah. Let me just put that off. Reverse off. All right. Now I'll give you a direct to high. I don't know if the camera caught the whine it made, but yeah. Alright, so that is one of the 3 Banvil Emperor ceiling fans. Thank you for watching.